Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are a student of Indira Gandhi National Open University and pursuing your MLIS program, then today's video is going to be extremely useful for you. We will be talking about the MLIP-002 project report, which is an essential part of your MLIS course. Okay, so many students find the project report a bit confusing, from choosing a topic to write the chapter and formatting it. But don't worry, in this video I'll give you a step-by-step guide so that you can prepare your report confidently and correctly following IGNOU guidelines. So let's talk about the MLIP program, the project report of MLIP program. First of all, let's understand what MLIP-02 actually is. So in the Masters of Library and Information Science MLIS program, MLIP-02 is the project workhorse, unlike your theory papers. This is a practical component that gives you a chance to apply the knowledge you have gained in real situation. Okay. Now, I think you must know about the topic first, right? So here we are talking about the project's topic. So I'm gonna show you some of the topics here on my website. Okay. First of all, while selecting the topic, you have to take care that it's relevant to your course. Like the topic must be related to library and information science. For example, user satisfaction surveys, impact of digital libraries, role of ICT in libraries, cataloging practice, or information seeking behavior. Okay, then second thing you have to understand is feasibility. Okay, while choosing the topic, choose a topic that you can realistically complete within your time, resources, and success and access to the data. Okay, now the interest. Pick something that excites you. It must not be boring for you. If you enjoy the subject, your work will be automatically be better. Okay. Now, some of the uh, topics you can see on my screen, so you can check this out. The most common topics will be use of resources in academic libraries, user satisfaction with public library services, application of ICT in college libraries, preservation and conservation of rare documents. So these are the most common topics. Now let's talk about the project synopsis. What would be the main components that the project synopsis have? So I'm just taking you to the guideline of MLIS program. So this is MLIP-002 projects guideline. I'm just taking you to the proposal part, or how the proposal can be made, right? So this is the structure. Like, you have okay, let me just this is about the project work. I'll just explain the project proposal first, then I'll go to the project report. So the components of the project proposal will be, like, you have to put the title of the project. After that, you have to write introduction and the rationale of the study, then objectives of the study, research methodology, scope and limitations, and references if you have about review of literature. So you also write the review of literature in it. And after that, let's talk about the project report. So the guideline of MLIS 2 is saying that what would be the structure? So the structure will be like this. First, you have to attach the certificate of originality, acknowledgement, table of content of your project. So certificate and acknowledgement are the annexures that you have to put in your project report, and this is given in the guideline. You can search it in your guideline. So the fourth thing is preface. After that, you have to put introduction, objective of the study, methodology. In methodology, you have to define what would be your research design, what would be your nature and source of your data, either primary or secondary. Then after data collection, methods, tools, you have to give, and how you will analyze the data. So all the things you have to put in your methodology. Now, as per the methodology and data samples, you have to write analysis and findings, right? So you have to show the data you have collected here and present it in the tables and graphs, and statically you have to prove it. Now, the thing is, after analysis and findings, you have to write the conclusion. So what are the conclusion of your study? You have to write it. Then after, you have to write reference and bibliography. The review of literatures used in the project report, and the reference related to those review of literature, and any references from where you have taken the information, you have to write in the reference and bibliography section. Then after indexing is like if you have used graphs and tables, you have to index it and put it here. Now the another thing is appendices. If you have used any questionnaire tools and some pictures, like those kind of things, you have to put in your appendices, right? Now if you want to know everything in brief, because in this video, if I'll tell you everything very in detail, in that scenario, the video is going to be very long. So let's move towards the next thing in the video. Now let's talk about um, how let's talk about some tips with which you can write your project report or synopsis in an effective way. So you have to start it early. Don't wait till the last date. First thing you need to understand, because it takes a longer time to submit the project. After that, stay in touch with your guide and regularly. And then keep your language simple and academic in your project report. Avoid plagiarism, okay, in your project report. Always write in your own words. Follow IGNOU format strictly, right? So this is the guideline. You can download it from your browser and read it for any confusion. And you can also write me in the comment, or you can directly contact me through my WhatsApp number if you have any confusion about it. And if you don't want to make it, and you want us to make it for you, then you can also contact us. We'll definitely help you for that. And so we have already learned the process of making project report and synopsis in this video. So that was a complete guide to preparing your MLIP-02 project report for the MLIS program at IGNOU. I hope this video makes your project journey smoother and more confident. If you still have any doubts, feel free to drop your question in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow IGNOU friends, and subscribe to the channel for more project guidance videos. Thank you for watching, and all the best for your MLIS project. Have a great day.